SL in profit from this entry, the first entry. But I had to move it a bit down because price was tracing. Price has been retracing quite a bit, as you can see. Very good risk to reward, 1 to 26, 6.5 pips SL and 170 pips TP to the upside. But yeah, the reason why I was confident as well in getting this kind of entry is big manipulation around here. Very big manipulation around this area. So I knew price may have to target this area before actually going up quite smoothly. Almost 100 pips. We can understand why it's happening. So yeah, we got in way before people even realize it's a buy. And the people that have been buying this breakout, for example, the people that are buying this inverse and shoulder right now already got an entry that's way before all of that. So really good. We're not really worried about the retracements because we know we've got a good entry. Next to do is to be patient. So keep you guys updated. If these two hit TP, that would be amazing. Got the first entry for 220 pips, then the second will be 170 pips. That would be amazing. That would be amazing. So keep you updated on how this one goes. I may update you if we get like a break of the neckline, the resistance area here, or the next update will be hopefully TP getting hit. So yeah, snap it again on the second entry. I couldn't quite record it as I was entering, but I do have here on the trading view. Placed it 16 minutes ago. 6.5 SL. Boom. Hopefully this can push it all the way. Hopefully you can push it all the way, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, but I cannot sit here and not give you an update on what just happened. I wouldn't just gone and done it again. I wouldn't just gone and done it again. Look, it's been 30 minutes. Look here. What an entry. I told you guys this is an area of there's been a lot of manipulation in this area. Price gonna attack it here. Around the manipulation area. To the ones that boom. Got entry. How we wait. Guys, this isn't a one-time fluke. It's getting done over and over again. Over and over again. And it's gonna be getting and she's gonna be getting caught all this month. But yeah, I'll update you on how it goes. I'm probably gonna move my stop loss to break even on here. But currently with what price is doing, I'm gonna remove risk off the table. So there isn't really any threat. And yeah. This is what I mean. This works. We're finding where the retail score is, we're finding where our manipulation area is, and we're just capitalizing. Just like that. This happens over and over again in the markets. You can go back to flipping 2000, flipping to 2000s. These patterns, this movement, this way of movement in the market, it always happens. It's all about being there at the right time to capitalize on them. Right. Update you. Guys, update. So just made a closure on GBP USD. Closed both trades for some nice profit. Reason why kind of got impatient, and I was up by a decent amount of profit. Plus, price was at a resistance area, the 140 area. kind of consolidating, slow movement. It was too slow. That's why I exited. But hey, I was up by on the first entry closed for 110 pips profit. Second entry closed for more or less 70 pips profit. 170 pips profit in the span of 2 days. Opened these yesterday. No, I opened the first entry yesterday, I think. So one day. So it was pretty good. Can't complain. 170 pips. Um, yeah, could have trailed my stop loss to around right here and just let it run, but on the daily as well, price ain't looking. I don't know. It's even too slow. Very manipulative. So just decided to close. Sometimes, guys, um, maybe up by a lot of pips, and price still hasn't hit your target area, but
Also, remember, we're in a situation where overall, I did say I believe price is probably going to go to the downside. So I don't want to be in this one for too long. Like I said, I just want to be in it for quick duration and then come out because long term, seeing prices going down.
sometimes you just don't want to be greedy. You get, but you close that out, and yeah. So these are two successful trades for this month. I think I placed about how many have I placed? I got stopped out on two, I think. Got stopped out on two. Probably just about no more than 50 pips on those, but 170 pips on two trades. It was pretty good, can't complain. Catch you on the next trade. And yeah, quickly. Two snipers caught. Second sniper was crazy, right on the wick. Going M1. Oof. Minimal drawdown. Minimal drawdown. Straight. Phew, that's what's up. But yeah, got out the trade and Edz 3 a.m. Shouldn't be up right now, but sometimes sleeping pattern gets a bit disrupted. But it's alright. But basically, this is how prices went after my exits. Dropped a whole 65 pips. Sniper entries, sniper exits. What more do you want? On to next trade. I'm going to sleep. What a day. Nice 300 pips. Back then, can't complain.
So yeah, I forgot to mention I did place a small scalp trade, as you can see there, for 25 pips.
Yes, yes, guys. 4th of March right now in the afternoon. So, guys, remember when I placed this trade and I closed it on Friday? Close it Friday? Yeah, closed Friday. So, the thing about this trade, so I closed my first entries, my first couple entries, but I didn't just have more than one. I mean, I had more than one entry. So, on this buy, I had a couple entries that I left open. So, initially, I took profit on a couple entries around this area. If you remember, I took about 100 pips on GJ, but I had some long-term entries in which I've been holding up till now. And I've just caught one of my best risk to reward trades, my highest risk to reward trades since I started being profitable. So this was where we put the entry, right? February 26th, that's when we placed it. Had my extended targets at 150, 150.1, in which that got hit. So got two entries there and put in another entry there. I'm gonna try to put the screenshot of my entries in this. But For anyone that has me on Instagram that keeps updating my stories, I want to put in my highlights as well. You already saw that. A 1 to 100 wrist award. So as soon as what do you call it? Boom, put a sniper. Originally stop loss was right here, but as it wicked up, quickly moved my stop loss to right there. And since then, price has been traveling upwards and very nicely. And yeah, guys, this style of trading works. It works. Boom, price went through the retail support, took out liquidity, done the same thing. Made another hit the retail support area, retail support area manipulation area here. Boom, bounced off. Seller's target would have been down here. Repeat the pattern here. Price went down. Came to the retail support. Boom. Retail target will be here as well. Boom, banged up. Done the same thing here. Went through the retail support into manipulation zone. Seller's target will be around here. Boom. Guys, this is just how the market moves. This way of trading is very high probability trading. Because these patterns and movements, it happens every single time. Every single time. All you need to do is be there at the right time, and you're just going to be milking the market. So as long as you do the right thing, have the right risk management, have the right discipline, have the right mindset, clear mind, and you can do it, guys, man. You know, when you master this, it allows you to be able to come in with a small stop loss and a very, very big reward. So we're trying to be as less risky. We're trying to decrease the risk as much as possible and maximize the upside as much as possible. And you saw it here. I just want to share that with you, and it works. Currently closed it. I didn't close it, but right now I'm up by it's at my target, but I haven't closed the position. Right now it is at 600 pips running profit. Yeah, 600 pips running profit. I'm gonna have my SLs in profit, shoulder tightly. But yeah, man. I'm gonna hold it to 152. 152. It's already at my profit area, but stop loss is in profit for everything over 500 pips locked, so we good. Catch you later. If it goes to 152, that's me breaking this record. But if it doesn't, then just take the 1T 102. I already took some profits off the table. So that's locked in. And I'm letting a few trades run. So see you later. Forgot to show you guys my extended targets for GJ. On my remaining entry is 152. Reason being is it's on a weekly and all that stuff. Yeah, you can even see it from here. So obviously this area got broken, and this was a nice area of resistance. The 149 area that got broken right through. So the next targets are, of course, on the 152 area, 151, 500 area as well. What are you up to 156? Well, we won't be aiming for that. Yeah. But yeah, I do expect some kind of retest for this area as well. We may get a drop off from 150, or we're gonna get a drop off from the 152 area, then a retest, then go back up to 156 area, 157 area. Yeah, these entries, sniper entries. If you look at the weekly candles, I've got a weekly sniper there, and this was the second entry. But yeah, first entry risk reward on that right now is 1 to 77. Just say 1 to 80. Then the second entry is, can't even see it, so let me zoom in. Still can't see it. You know the race awards very good when you can't even see what the numbers are. But 1 to 43 and 1 to 77 on the first entry. So let's see how this goes. I want to see a nice break of this area. Boom. If not, resistance. That's right. Guys, pullbacks are very nice. Tell you why. Because just getting ready to go back up. So now all you have to do is zone out your manipulation areas, your retail support. And then just catch the pullback, catch it back up. Like for example here, you're going entry on that retracement. Wow. This retracement. Wow. Get the gist. We'll update you. But yeah, like I said, I've already taken some of the profits from this entry and some of the profits from this entry. So that's profits locked up. So I'm good. So if it decides to come down or whatever, it's all good. But we'll update you. Trading over Edz. Good morning, guys. Currently the 5th of March. It's 10:15 in UK. Currently about to place some new entries on GBP USD. 1 second, let me share my screen. In it right now. 1 second. So first, let me explain what's going on the high time frame. This is GBP JPY. Okay, perfect. So, on the daily, as you can see, prices around a very, very important zone. However, around that zone, there's got our manipulation area and a retail support. So, it might be a bit of an early entry, but I'm just break this down. So, on the daily, we have this big support area. I'm on the weekly, same thing. I was expecting like a pullback on the weekly around the 138, 137 area, mostly 137 area for a bounce off. But analyzing now, and it could possibly bounce off even now. But I'm going the monthly. Yeah, on the monthly, see similar thing. So on the daily chart, not on the daily chart, on the high time frame charts, we can see price retesting this zone. But on the lower time frames, it could possibly start making this drop the rise now. Reason being, if we go on the H4 time frame, what we see this retail support, and this is our manipulation area. So that's why I go into a buy, because price could possibly bounce up from here. And it doesn't need to touch the zone exactly, but of course, we know if this one is to hit stop loss, then we're looking for our second entries around the zone or around here where price may manipulate. First targets are going to be 400 pips at 142. Second target, big target, is going to be 146. Reason why? So we all know that 142 is a significant high, but above that, if the 142 area breaks, then what we got, the next zone is the 146 area. Let's go 148. 147, 148. On a monthly, yeah, right here, this area. So 146 is about here. So it's just at the body resistance. So let's see how it goes. We're going for a big one, the juicy one. juicy trade. Um, using a 10 pip SL, going for a 1 to 75 wrist to award on our big target. Second one is 1 to 22, I think. 1 to 22. But ultimately going for 1 to 75. And yeah, they might be on the hardest it goes so far. Sniper, entry. But hopefully that can last and it keeps going. But yeah, entered on the wick. We've got some lots of liquidity there, liquidity all around. Because GU has been melting for a minute. However, GG has been going up, been holding it up. So GU is just lagging a bit. So these are all the targets that need to get hit and to get wiped off. But yeah, let's see how this one goes. If it's stop loss, I'm not stressing. Like a 10 pip loss. Bristol would very great. So yeah, this is stop loss. Like I said, I'll be looking to get into the buys in this area and price on a daily. And prices in this area. It's a Friday as well. So looking for this one over the weekend. Yeah. That's how we're looking right now. That's on the H1. Keep you updated. Actually, hold on. Yeah, cool. Guys, this is an update of what happened. So basically, what happened, right? Remember we initially entered. Where did we enter? So I've gotten membership. But our first entry was here for the buy. At the retail spot up here, and the manipulation area was right here. We'll see in line with this area. But of course I got stopped out. Lost about 10 pips on the 15 pips. One mistake that I made is that I forgot that today was NFP. And NFP is that it's the first Friday of each month. And when the news comes out 1:30 UK time. It's usually quite volatile. So that's why you see this big wick. This is the wick that stopped me out. But yeah, completely forgot about that. Literally, as soon as it hit like 1:33, I saw the market like just moving up and down very fast. I'm thinking, what's going on? GU doesn't really do this. Like that's usually how gold moves sometimes, just up and down very rapidly. Then I realized, oh crap, it's NFP. Time just see my stop loss get hit. Boom. But obviously, it came to this zone, and I did mention backup entries will be at this zone or this zone. It did touch. So I just took advantage of just big manipulation. Yeah, big manipulation here. New seller's target is at this zone. And this was our what do you call it? Our retail support is also up here. And this is the manipulation area. Because this line, obviously, a lot of manipulation has happened. Not a lot, but manipulation has been happening. But especially on the low time frame. When we go to M15, we can see that there's a mini retail support here. And obviously what happened with that got violated with this candle. So done a big fake out right into our zone. So that was another confluence to enter this position. So caught that wick, 6.5, 6.3 pip SL. Risk to reward of 1 to 66 for the first target. Second target was the risk reward on that. Hold on. 1 to 130. So yeah, got liquidity in these highs, these highs, these highs, these highs. And also on weekly, yeah, it did hit the zone, the 137,800 zone that I had marked up. So I made contact with that because remember before, prior to this trade, remember that zone was not touched. So I got in a bit prematurely at the same time. So it's a little mistake. What I could have done better is wait for that zone to actually get hit. Obviously, he's already made contact, so let's see what happens. It's a Friday. I'm gonna hold this one over the weekend. Also, if I go on the, let me show you some high time frame analysis as well. Charts. Okay, cool. So we go here. Well, this is H4. But if we go on daily, you can see the nice channel. And what has happened is GU has now touched the bottom of the channel, right? It's been in the channel all the way since here, but I'm just doing the recent price action. Boom. Roughly like that. So yeah, GU has touched the bottom of the channel, bottom of the trend line. This is in the this zone of support. Made contact with that. So those two confluences on the higher time frames gives us more confidence to swing it to the upside. Also got this triangle that is in descending triangle going H4. You can see that a bit more clear. This is usually a pattern, a breakout pattern. So liquidity gets built on the downside, then we should be getting nice, pretty fast movement to the upside, breaking this triangle, and hopefully coming to 142 area, which will be our first target. And after 142, we could get 146, but need to be careful because what could happen is price could fake out at 142 area, could hit, for example, the round number of 142,500.
So price actually did end up going to 142,500 and dropping exactly like I said. The accuracy don't lie.